Schuyler, Seneca, southern Cayuga, Cayuga, Tompkins, and Yates, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, Susquehanna, and Wyoming. Winter weather advisory now in effect until 5 a.m. Saturday. What? Ice. Total ice accumulations of generally 1/10 of an inch to 3/10 of an inch. Higher elevations could exceed 1/2 inch of ice locally. Less than 1/10 of an inch is expected in parts of the Finger Lakes region. Where? In Pennsylvania, Bradford, Susquehanna, Lackawanna, Luzerne, and Wyoming counties. In New York, Tompkins, Chemung, Schuyler, Cayuga, Broome, Yates, Seneca, and southern Cayuga counties. When? Freezing rain and sleet will mix with and change to all rain between midnight and 5 a.m. The freezing rain will linger the longest over the higher elevations. Expect the freezing rain to turn to rain first in the Finger Lakes region. Impacts, isolated power outages, and tree damage is possible due to the ice. Travel will be very hazardous. Slow down and use caution while traveling.